Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys an app that I've recently been loving. Not only has it allowed me to fully manage my wardrobe, but it also has allowed me to fully maximize the clothes that I have in it. This app is called Stylebook, and if you've never heard of it before, it is more of a virtual closet that allows you to manage your wardrobe. There are so many benefits to this app. It allows you to plan out your outfits a lot easier for the whole week or the month, and then it also helps you when it comes to finding out which pieces of clothing you tend to wear a lot more and which pieces of clothing that you might be able to phase out and either give away or donate. One of the things I really love about this app is it has made going shopping so much easier for me, because as I'm browsing the racks and trying to find that one piece of clothing that I really love, I'm able to simply take a picture of that article of clothing and see how I can really incorporate it into my wardrobe and see what outfits that I can come up with. I did want to say that this is not a sponsored video. This is in fact an app that I have purchased with my own money. So I will leave the link down in the description bar along with some other apps that I did find as well. I hope this video helps to show you guys how easy it is to manage your closet and your wardrobe by simply sitting on your bed or your couch. It's that easy. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nia, and thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out this video. I would really appreciate it if you guys would hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell notification so you never miss out on another video. But if you guys are interested in seeing how easy it is to manage your wardrobe with Stylebook, then please keep watching.
So you want to start off by finding a brightly lit room. Natural daylight is going to be the best. Then lay down a solid sheet opposite of the articles of clothing that you are going to be taking a picture of. Then you want to lay out each article of clothing as flat as possible. I decided to go with this really cute shirt dress that I picked up a while back. And as you can see, I'm just straightening everything out, making sure there aren't any wrinkles. Then you're going to open the Stylebook app and hit the plus sign on the upper left-hand corner. Then choose Add Clothing. It's going to give you the option to take a photo. This is when you're going to stand above the article of clothing to take the best picture. You want to make sure that you're getting the whole piece of clothing in the picture, just like this. If you need to retake it, it does give you that option. Once you find the picture that you like the best, hit Use Photo, and then it's going to crop the background out for you. This is a perfect example of picking a fabric that is completely opposite to the article of clothing. Since this looks perfect, I'm going to hit Save, and then I'm going to choose what category I want this to fall under. Clearly it is a dress, and then I added it to shirt dress. So you want to go through your whole entire wardrobe, lay everything out as neatly as possible, and then continue to keep taking photos and then slowly adding it into the Stylebook app. This whole process does take some time, especially if you have a large wardrobe. So this is a process that may take a couple of days. What I also love about this app is that you can add your shoes and accessories into this as well, which really helps you build out every single outfit. Now I'm going to share with you guys the process of what I like to do for pants and jeans. Just to make sure everything fits into the picture, I like to lay it out and then fold the bottom up. Now you see how it didn't completely fade out the whole entire background? All you really have to do is add the background back to your picture and then hit manual adjustment. As you can see, it didn't completely fade out the whole entire background. So what I did was choose manual adjustment. Then I chose the move button and zoomed into the picture. And as you can see, I'm slowly going around the flat so that I can erase as much of the background as possible. If you do happen to get too close and erase more than what you wanted to, it does give you the option to undo. What I found what worked best for me was honestly just taking a picture and adding as much clothing into the app as possible, and then I took my time to go back and erase the background later. Now it's time to build out your own outfit. So it does give you a couple options for day, work, evening, if you're going on vacation. So I just decided to go with day, and then you want to hit add clothing and choose the pieces of clothing that you would like to create an outfit with. I find that this app is perfect for when you are trying to figure out what you're going to wear for the next day or for the entire week, because it really just makes the whole process so much easier. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you stopping by and checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I can't wait to catch you guys in my next video. Bye.